Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, and I'm doing the introduction for my daughter because she loves me and she said I could. But we're outside in the rain because we have to show you our pond.
Is it a pond anymore? I don't know. You're going to tell me. Because that's where it starts right there.
Don't mind me, I'm walking with you, so you might wiggle and jiggle a little.
And I just wiggle and jiggle anyway when I'm walking, so you'll see that. But this is our pond, which I think now would be considered a lake. It's not as pretty as Clearwater Lake, though.
We do have a beaver problem, and right where that little stump is sticking up, there is a culvert right near there. Oh, there's a stick sticking up over here, and the beavers plug it up all the time. So I would say due to the rain, and our beavers right where that stick is, it's all plugged up.
See, that road is washed down over here.
It's getting a pretty good washout, yep.
Now, if it was warm and summer, you could probably find me sticking my feet in the spots that are not dangerous.
We would love it.
Because it was great. I used to love it bringing down the kids and having them play in the water.
And it goes across the road, and then there's another pond over there.
Oh, it's not stopped up like beavers. It's going through. We just got a lot of rain.
I don't think it's going through as good as it should. I'd go down there, but she's wet and I'd probably land on my butt.
I love it.
Look.
I know it's not a good thing that it's washing out the road. I know. But it's so cool to watch.
Half the road is down there. That never was gravel right there. It's kind of funny. I love it. All right, I won't love it when it puts my taxes up, but... We do.
I love it. I don't love the tax thing. I don't. But it's kind of cool to watch.
It is.
And I'm not going to walk over in that because it's nice to be up. I'm probably going to go up to my knees.
Plus, we have bloodsuckers.
Yeah, they're gross.
Big ones.
And now we'll put you on pause and we'll walk up to the swamp and you can see what is supposed to be a